Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another set of smart blinds from SmartWings. They make a lot of smart blinds and a lot of smart stuff for your house, so you should definitely check them out. But basically this is how it comes. Packed. It's all packed, all nice, everything labeled. Remote is inside. It depends if you order it or not. But bear in mind, your box might be bigger or smaller. It depends really on your order because everything can be custom made. These are actually made custom to your windows. You actually have to put in the dimensions if you want it on the outside of the window frame or on the inside, which means the box. But yeah, this is how it comes packed. Obviously it had an outer box, but I took that out, so it's very well packed. Everything should be inside. I am just going to go ahead now and take everything out of the box and show you guys what we actually get. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As always, we will start with the small stuff first. So if we have a look here, we have a brochure basically with instruction manuals, how to get started with Matter over Thread, because this is the type of motor that's Matter, so it supports Apple Home, Google, I think Samsung, Alexa, it supports everything. My whole house is smart connected, so I shouldn't have any issues. This is the remote programming guide, how to basically add or remove a remote to your blind, or add different channels to different blinds so you can control them with one remote. And we have a quick installation guide right here. Again, we have pictures, we have the inside mount installation guide, we have everything you need. So I would suggest give all this a read. It's only gonna take you a couple of minutes, but it will help you understand better what the blinds can do, how to use them properly, and how to install them properly. Right here we have a set of expansion screws. So basically you use this to mount the blind itself on the window frame. Basically you have these three brackets right here which will screw in. I'm gonna show you guys when it's fully set up, but basically this is how it does. Obviously you'll move them, one will be on the left, one will be on the right, and one will be on the center to support properly the weight of the blind. We have a charging cable. It's a USB Type-C to USB Type-A. We have a remote which is already pre-programmed to this, and that's really nice. And as an extra we got a solar panel which will keep the blind charged at all times, so you don't actually have to use that USB Type-C charger. You put this into your window. Basically this is some double-sided sticky tape, you peel it off, place it there, and the USB Type-C port will plug into the motor, which will be right here on the side. So let's have a look at the blinds now. This is the material we got. This is 100% blackout. It says we have to pull this foam before the installation, so we got foam on that corner and foam on this corner as well. Make sure you do that, it's really important. And on this side right here, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna have to do it with one hand. On this side right here we have the USB Type-C port. We have the button which will manually adjust it up and down, or if you long press it for like 2 seconds you can pair it with another remote. Again, it's all in the manual, super easy to follow. But yeah, this is how you turn it on basically, and you plug that solar panel right here and it will keep it charged at all times. I want to show you guys the model I got. So the model I got has a cassette. It's white, so it's gonna show as white. You can get a clear one, so it's gonna show the material, but I prefer the cassette one. We have right here some bristles, like a brush. This will keep your window frame from scratching. And right here we got the specs, matter motor, the sizes, the fabric color, room label. If you put a room label, everything will be there, so you know which one goes where if you have a order with multiple blinds. And already says here prepared with remote control. So the remote that I showed you, this one, it will work straight away with this blind, up and down, stop it, or create a schedule. You can create a schedule with the app. Again, everything is in that guide, super easy to follow. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. I am going to go ahead now and install them, and I'm going to show you guys the final product. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so the blinds are fully set up. As you can see, I set it up in my kitchen. Obviously, I have my Christmas lights because it's holiday season. But the whole process to assemble it, it took like about 10 minutes. It's super easy to do. Also have a guide. All you need is a drill, and you have the included clamps, which are super handy. After you drill them in, all you have to do is just clamp it in. It will go in straight away. And also, if you want to take it out, it's the same process but reversed. And yeah, basically this is how it looks from this side to this other side. I have the solar panel mount right here. They included a dual way cable, so you can provide power to both motors at the same time. This is the dual blind, so this side is 50%, the other side is 100% blackout. And I have this remote that can control more blinds. So for example, now we select blind number 1 and we lower it. As you can see, the blind starts to lower straight away. It's super quick as well. This is the 50% blind. That means light can still come in and people can still see from the outside, especially if you have a light inside like I do right now. You can also see outside during the day, obviously. And if you want to have 100% blackout, you select number 2 from there and then you lower it, and the other one will just come down. As you can see, maybe behind it. And now it's 100% blackout, nobody can see. You don't have to have both of them down in the same time. You can select number 1 again and lift it. Number 1 will lift, the 50% one will lift, and only the 100% blackout will be on. You can also lower and fold both of them at the same time. So for example, let's select number 2 right here. I will show you guys in a second when this is done. They're super handy. I absolutely love it. They make great blinds. I will definitely recommend it to anybody that wants something super futuristic. They also work with Alexa, Google Home, Apple Play, depends on the type of motor you choose. My one, it's Matter over Thread, so it works with everything. So right now, if we have selected both of them, we have number 1 and number 2 selected. All you have to do is just press this arrow down. There we go. Both of them are going down in the same time. And also the same thing if you want to raise them, the same thing, they will go up in the same time. And also if you want to stop, you have a stop button right here. So let's go ahead and raise them again. As you can see, both of them are raising. And for example, if you want to stop it right here, all I have to do is just press the stop button. There you go. That's a remote to control multiple blinds. That's a bit extra, but it's definitely worth the money if you get multiple. If not, you can order a normal remote and it will come already paired with the blinds. So yeah, pretty much that's it. They're absolutely amazing. As I said, I would definitely recommend it to anybody. SmartWings, they make a lot of other blind models, for example Zebra. And if you guys want to check them out, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.